everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery, and this is Avery's World. Today we'll be doing a jewelry unboxing. I'll be opening 2 packages from eBay that contain sterling silver items. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you some of the tools that I use when I do these unboxings. First, I have a pair of scissors. And a magnifying glass. A magnet to check for sterling silver. A mandrel to check ring sizes. And a tape measure to determine the length of bracelets and necklaces. Okay guys, here we go. Let's get started. I'm really excited about today's unboxing, guys. I think there are some rings in this package. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. I usually do jewelry and clothing hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Okay, so what do we have here? Cool. Let's see if I can get this open. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was from today's video. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at the first ring. Wow, this is very pretty, you guys. It looks like mystic topaz and rhinestones, or maybe small diamonds, I'm not sure. It's a very, very pretty ring. And let's see the size. It looks like a size 8. And let's check to see if it'll stick to the magnet. It's not sticking to the magnet, which is a good sign. Let's see if we can find any markings on here. And we can use the magnifying glass to help. I think it said 925 in there. It was very small. What do you guys think of this ring? I really like the heart shape. Oops. Now let's see if there are any markings. I think, I'm not sure what that says, but maybe there's some more markings. Yep, that looks like a 925. Okay, let's check the size. This looks like about 8 1/4. And let's check it with the magnet to see if it sticks. It's not sticking, so that's a good sign. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Now this one looks like onyx. I like the shape of the onyx stone. It's pretty cool. And I'm just looking for markings. And I do think it says 925. It's a little hard to see. Let's take another look. Yeah, it's pretty hard to see, but it says 925. Okay, let's check the size. Looks like maybe a little bit under 7.5. Okay, let's see if it'll stick to the magnet. Nope, so that's good. Okay guys, let's move on to the next package. I'm really excited about this, you guys. I think this one has 3 necklaces inside, if I remember correctly. Okay, just need to get it open. It looks like the seller packaged it very well. Okay. Alright, so let's put this to the side so we can actually get to the items. Okay. So let's see. I think they're in individual bags. Okay, so there's one. There's the next one. And let's see if I can get the final one out there. It's giving me a little trouble. Okay, there we go. Finally! Alright, let's start with this one. It's a heart pendant. It looks very pretty. The stone might be a lapis lazuli, but I'm not sure. And the chain is pretty tangled. I think I'll detangle that a little bit later when I have a little more time. So this is a very nice pendant. Very pretty. Let's see if it'll stick to the magnet. The clasp is actually sticking. And sometimes the clasp of a sterling silver chain will stick to a magnet simply because it has a steel spring inside. Okay guys, let's move on to the next. This looks pretty. This is a very pretty necklace. I think it's glass, but I'm not sure. Remember, if you're interested in purchasing any of the items from today's video, you can leave me a message down below or on Instagram. Let's see if we can make this out. I think it said 925. We can test it with the magnet. And it's not sticking, which is very good. Okay, this is our last piece, guys. I think I saved the best for last because I think this one is the nicest piece out of all of them. Looks like mother of pearl. And it's very pretty. And that looks like 925 on the back. And I like the chain, it's very pretty. We can test it with a magnet. And it's not sticking, so that's good. It's very pretty. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the video. Bye everyone. See you in the next video.